Day in the life of a DevOps engineer. DevOps engineers keep the machinery of software delivery running. Here is what the role actually looks like in practice. The morning often starts with checking the health of C/CD pipelines. If a pipeline has failed overnight, the DevOps engineer investigates whether it was a code issue, an infrastructure problem, or a configuration error. Infrastructure work takes up a significant part of the day. This involves writing and maintaining infrastructure as code using tools like Terraform or Ansible. Cloud resources need to be created, configured, and updated in a controlled, repeatable way. Deployment support is a core responsibility. When development teams are ready to release new features, the DevOps engineer ensures the release process is smooth, automated, and reversible if something goes wrong. Monitoring and observability work involves configuring dashboards, setting up alerts, and reviewing system performance metrics. When production systems behave unexpectedly, the DevOps engineer is often first to investigate. Collaboration with development teams is constant. DevOps engineers often act as advisors to developers on how to structure their code and pipelines for reliable deployment. Security practices are increasingly part of the role. Scanning container images, managing secrets, and enforcing access controls are standard responsibilities. The pace of the role varies. Some days are about steady improvement and automation work. Others involve urgent incident response. DevOps engineers who thrive are those who enjoy both the craft of building reliable systems and the challenge of responding to the unexpected.